Hello Amazons, it's me and this is a Hearttell engagement ring unboxing. This video is sponsored. So Hearttell reached out to me and they do engagement rings made out of solid silver and created white sapphire, which is my birthstone actually. And here is the ring I selected. It is the Emerald Halo Split Shank ring. And so here we go. You guys know I moved. I have not adjusted my lighting. So here we go. Apologies for the box, but it was inside of a house fire, which I'm just grateful that it survived. So here you go. As you can see, the packaging is beautiful. And this is me opening it for the first time. Like I said, happy that it survived a house fire. Inside, there is a really nice polishing cloth right here. And it says Hearttell, very nice quality. I was very impressed with that. I will be using it. Love cleaning cloths. There was also a really cute bag. I guess if you want to gift it to somebody, it has a really nice little baggie, which is cute. And here's the box with a pretty ribbon. Everything is navy blue, which I hope it's showing on camera. It's like a violet-y navy blue. So here we go. We're going to open it up. Now, this was hard to open, which you will see because I did not edit this. It was hard for me to get the box open, but it did open eventually. So let me shut up for a minute. There you can see I finally got it open, and inside of the box was another baggie, which is okay. And so I opened that up to reveal my ring, and look at her. She is gorgeous. And as you can see, I ordered a size 7, so let me zoom in a little bit so you guys can see the quality. Look at that. And I like it because they're not trying to look like diamonds. It's not trying to look like a CZ. It is a lab-created white sapphire, which is very elegant because, you know, CZs are so common. So let me try her on. And as you can see, she's gorgeous. My ring is over 11 grams. It's really excellent quality. Let me model it for you guys. It's very substantial, and I think this is great if someone's looking for an alternative engagement ring and they don't want to go with the CZ, they don't have a lot of money. This is very elegant. Or even if you want a travel ring, which is really what I would recommend this for, this is a great travel ring so you can leave your actual engagement ring at home. And so let me give you a close-up. It's gorgeous. It's gorgeous, guys. I really don't have much else to say. I will link this exact ring below. I'm happy to get back into making some videos. And here's my new ring sitting in my new jewelry box. So isn't she gorgeous? Check out Hearttell, and thank you, Hearttell, for the sponsorship. Love it very much. Bye, guys.